Hello and good day everyone. So today we are going to make the temperature sensor with LCD in Tinkercad. So to start, we are going to need our Arduino Uno, the programmable controller. Next is a breadboard and also an LCD. And we are going to use the 16 by 2. Okay, now we are going to need a temperature sensor. And we are going to put it right there. To start, we are going to need a resistor to for our ground for our LCD. We are gonna put it right here. And we are going to connect it to our ground and to our LED, LED cathode. Next is we are going to connect the another LED to our power, change color to red. And then now we are going to connect also our temperature sensor to our breadboard. Here is the power we are going to connect to red, and our ground to black, and our valve will be connected to our ground, our A1. We're going to connect it to A1. So our temperature sensor valve is connected to our A1 pin in our Arduino. Now, let's proceed. So we are going to connect our LCD to our pins right here. So we are going to start with the uh, display 7. So we are going to put it to our pin number 2. So organize. Also, we are going to change this color to orange. Also here, we are going to change it to yellow. Now, next is R6. We are going to connect it to our 3. R6 to 3. Change color, green. Now, our 5th, we are going to change it to, put it to 4. Change color also, turquoise. Okay. Now, our 4th display, we are going to put it in our 5th pin. Change color also to blue. Now we are going to connect our ground to the negative. So change color to black. And then we are in our power, we are going to connect it to our positive. Change color to red. Next is our contrast. Also, we are going to connect it to the black. Now in our register and select, we are going to connect it. We are going to connect our register and select to our 11 12 pin right here. 12 pin. Change color to purple. We're gonna change color to purple. And the read and write, we're going to connect it to our ground. Then again, we are going to connect enable to our 11th pin right here. Okay. Now it's uniform. Okay. So we'll change color to pink. I think it's already complete. So we are just going to move Okay, so we are going to utilize our breadboard right here. Also for our, okay. So this is our setup complete now. Oh, no. We are still going to connect our ground to the Arduino. Change color to also our positive. I almost forgot. Okay, change color to red. Okay, this will be our complete setup. Now we are going to proceed to our code right here. So I already have a code in right here. I'm going to explain what is my code all about. So this code will tell what is the temperature and depending on the temperature sensor right here. So as you can see, this line of code right here defines the connection of the LCD display to the Arduino pins. For example, here is the register and select in pin number 12, the enable 11, D4, D4 and 5, meaning the display 4 is connected to the pin number 5. 4, the 5 is connected to 4, 6 connected to 3, and D7 is connected to 2. So that's the this code define the connection of the LCD display, and also create an instance for liquid crystal with specified an LCD. This is the read select, enable, D4, D5, and so on and so forth LCD display. So float meaning a variable to store temperature in Celsius and initialize the temperature in the A1 pin right here. So pin mode is temperature and input. So it will set the temperature pin as input. So next is we are going to use the void loop. So it read the analog value of the temperature sensor, convert the analog into um, analog uh, analog read and convert voltage right here. So it will print the temperature reading of the LCD display and load the print Celsius, which is right here, and load print C. So there will be a delay for 1 second and LCD will be clear for the next iteration. Okay, let us start the simulation, hoping it will work. Okay, so the code definitely works. So as you can see, if I drag it to the hotter side, it will change the temperature. If I drag it to the colder side, it will change to the negative 40 degrees Celsius. So that is all for our temperature sensor LCD demonstration in Tinkercad. I hope you learn, and I will provide the code below. So that is all.